Hey amazing moms, Nicole, and I just wanted to show you this awesome new crock pot slash pressure cooker that I got by COSORI. And I want to show you how I make my most recent new favorite recipe for myself in this wonderful pot. So the first thing that I did was I put it on the saute function. This pot does absolutely everything. It's your all-in-one cooking tool. I went ahead and set it on saute. I added my extra virgin olive oil and my freshly chopped garlic so that it can saute up very nicely. So this recipe is a honey garlic chicken recipe. So here I have my chicken thighs that I just recently cleaned, and I'm gonna go ahead and just sprinkle some sea salt and some black pepper all over them and get them prepared to saute in the pot. Recently I've been meal prepping for myself because I've started eating chicken for my health and fitness goals, just trying to gain a little bit more muscle mass and eat a little bit more protein. And eating lean chicken has been something I've incorporated into my diet, and I like to bulk prepare my meals in the beginning of the week so that I can just portion them out and not have to worry about it throughout the week. And this COSORI pot is perfect for that because I can do bulk cooking in a short amount of time and just set it and forget it, and it's been working out perfectly. So after I've salt and peppered everything up, I'm gonna go ahead and begin programming my COSORI pressure cooker for the settings that I need for this particular meal. So what I went ahead and did, and I preheated it for saute, and I went ahead and put my meat in there so it would already actually heated up the oil and the garlic so that I can saute it. I just like to brown up my chicken before I actually put it in the pressure cooker for the full cooking time, because I like to have a little bit of crunch, or just a little brownness on the outside of my actual chicken. And what's great about this pot is that you can saute, you can use it as a crock pot, you can boil pasta in it, you can use it as a pressure cooker. It's everything. So here's my chicken all sauteing up and getting all nice and brown, and it's an all-in-one device that you can use. Now I went ahead and put out all my seasoning, some paprika, some oregano, some parsley, salt and pepper, soy sauce, ketchup, garlic, and extra olive oil. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do is whisk all of that up all together, and I'm going to add this to my already browned chicken. So it's already sauteed and nice and brown. I went ahead and poured it in. And after I poured it in, I went ahead and reset it to the poultry function. It's preset, and it's only going to take me 15 minutes to cook this chicken. I hit the on button, put the lid on, and I'm good to go. Now, as I'm waiting for it to cook, I can clean my kitchen, do whatever. I don't have to stand over my pot or keep checking my oven for like 30-40 minutes. This is 15 minutes, set it, forget it, walk away, do other things, and come back. After it's done, it automatically keeps your meal warm if you're away during the day, and then you release the pressure. After that, take off the lid, and there you have it. It's been perfectly warm. It's been sitting there for you to eat it. When you come home for dinner, it'll be nice and warm and ready to go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this really quick and easy garlic honey chicken recipe that I made in my COSORI pressure cooker. If you are interested in purchasing your own COSORI pressure cooker, there's a link down below on Amazon. It's super affordable, and it's an amazing way to just cook everything in one pot meals for the family. Set it, forget it, go about your business, come back when it's ready and it's nice and warm and waiting for you. Check out the link below, and I hope you guys have an amazing week. Talk to you next time, from one amazing mother to another. Bye.